So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy paper J-hooks that can be used for displaying your handmade jewelry. So the materials you'll be needing today are really simple. You'll be needing your Cricut cutting machine and a cutting mat. I'll be using 110-pound cardstock, and I'll also be using painter's tape just to help with my mat since it's not so sticky. And then of course you'll also be wanting some self-seal bags, which I'll make sure to leave a link below, and some jewelry cards for displaying your jewelry. And lastly, some double-sided tape is to open up the Cricut design space, and then you want to go to upload, and then you want to upload your file. So I've already got the SVG for the J-hook uploaded right here. So I'm just going to move that to the corner so that I can see it easier, and then I'm going to push attach. So this is already the right size for a US letter size paper. So this is really easy to make. The next step is to push make it, and this will display how the file will cut. So you can always ungroup and delete any if you want it to have a different shape or a different amount of J-hooks. So just push continue, and then today I'm going to be using 110-pound cardstock. You can use anything that you like, but for the cardstock I recommend the 80-pound button right here, and I'm just going to leave it as default. I know it's all set up. So to begin, I'm just going to place some cardstock onto the sticky mat, and since my mat isn't very sticky anymore, I'm just going to use some paper tape, painter's tape, to hold this down. It's really easy to peel off the paper. And now I'm just going to load this into my Cricut. So now I'm just loading the paper into the Cricut machine. And now I'm going to press the cut button. So I'm just removing the tape now, and you can see that the painter's tape just comes off really easily. So there you go. And now you can see that the J-hooks are all cut, and they just pop right out. And so you could see that these are really easy to make, and it's great because you can make a bunch of them just to keep on hand for supplies for the future. So now the next step is really easy. Once you have your jewelry all packaged, you can just put them onto some earring cards and put them into these self-sealing bags. And I'll make sure to include links in the description of all the products that I use. Then you just need some double-sided tape. And then you just cut off a small piece, and you put it onto the front of the J-hook, and then you just attach that to the bag, and they're all set. So now you can display your earrings really easily if you have a rack or if you want to hang them. J-hooks are great for anything. You can even use them for organizing your inventory. They'll hold any lightweight items. And I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial, and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.